Hi everybody, today we are going to make a sweet which is made of green moong dal. It's very healthy recipe and it's a very healthy sweet. It runs in my family, so I'm going to make it today for the audience. The ingredients are the 1 cup of green gram, the main ingredient, half a cup of sugar, salt, we just add a pinch of salt, and then I have clarified butter, which is basically butter we heat it to a boil and make it clarified. And I have around 5 pods of cardamom. So I'm going to fry the green gram and the cardamom pulse into the pan until they are brown, a little brown, and then take it out, cool the ingredient and put it in a mixie and mix it. It's a very simple dish, so I'm going to show you how it's done. To a hot pan, add no oil, nothing. So you're just going to add the green gram, and I'm going to add the garlic pods also to it, or give it a little fry and fry it along together. So it's going to become a little brown and you will know when it's brown. Now I'm going to transfer it into a plate. You have to allow it to cool for some time because it'll be really hot, and once it is cooled down, we're going to put it in a mixie jar and grind it. So we'll wait for the gram to cool down a bit and then we could go with the procedure. So you can see that I added the green gram into the mixie jar along with the cardamom that's fried. Now we're going to mix it once and then add the sugar and grind it again. Okay, so now first grinding I'll do it just with the gram and the cardamom. It's still flaky. Now I'm going to add the sugar to it. So this half a cup of sugar goes into this mixture. Also add a little bit of a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. So just a pinch of the salt. Okay, now you can see, you can touch it, it's very powdery. So to this mixture, you're going to put the clarified butter and roll it into small balls, okay? You have to wait for this to cool down a bit before you start adding it. I have an easier method to do it. I use a cookie cutter. So you can use this cookie cutter to make the rolls instead of just holding it in your hand. It's pretty neat and it's the same. So we're going to start doing the balls. Now we are going to roll the balls. I'm going to put everything into the cookie cutter. Made the cookies, or I used the cookie cutter to make my sweet, and this is your green gram sweet. You can see using the cookie cutter makes it very simplified. And when you add ghee, just be sure to add sufficient ghee just to roll the ball or make it little consistent to make these cookie cuts. But other than that, do not add too much ghee, then you'll have to do the whole process again of adding more gram to it. If you like our recipe, click on like and subscribe to our channel to see more of good recipes like this. Thank you.